today we're going to be working with watercolor pencils. I've been really excited to try these. I love watercolors, if you know literally anything about me. So I'm excited to try a new medium of watercolor. Colored pencils have never particularly been my best medium. I tend to work best in abstract, non-precise mediums, so I'm kind of hoping that this will give me a nice mixture of the control of holding a pencil as well as the fun of the blending colors with the watercolor. So what I have done is I have sketched out a picture of a bundle of flowers. These are the flowers that I used on my graduation cap actually a few years ago. The blue kind of got some like yellowy, purpley fun going on in the middle with these big crinkly leaves. So I am going to start coloring this in over a hyperlapse, and then I will come back with some water and we will see what we can do with these babies. Also, just as an FYI, these are $9.99. I got them from Hobby Lobby for a set of 24. I know you can get like a 48 set on Amazon for like $15 or so, but I just wanted to try a nice reputable brand and I really didn't want to have to wait for shipping. So let's just see how these work out, and hopefully my thought process being, I don't think I might need all that many colors. If they blend like watercolors do, I should be able to blend them on the page. So that's the plan, so let's see what happens. All right, it is time. I think I finally finished. My camera, lovely, died right before I got the chance to add any of this into the flower, the like dark spots kind of coming out of the centers. I will say, like, putting my hand over it, it feels like really soft. It's like such a weird sensation to feel how soft the pencil is, like compared to the rough paper. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna start with the stem. A little thing of water over here, tiny little brush, and time to start blending everything. Ooh, I do like that actually. I definitely don't want this to get too wet because I think it could result not so great. So I think I'm gonna hyperlapse through me blending everything together, and we'll come back when it's done. This is, I think, where I'm going to stop off. Obviously, this is my first ever piece with the medium, and I have definitely learned quite a bit, specifically how, frankly, cool it is that I can, like, put down water and draw on top of it almost like a paintbrush. It's insane. I noticed as I made my first mistakes here and kind of blended out a little too much. I tried to go back in and add some after I thought it was dry, and it hadn't dried completely, but it was still damp, and it just like melted right off the pencil. It was fascinating. I actually kind of want to see if I could sign my name to the bottom to kind of show exactly what I mean. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water right here and make sure to clean up any of the excess so it's just damp, not sopping. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer and see if you can kind of get that same vibe. I dotted over the wrong letter, wow. So obviously my cursive is stunning. It's not perfect, but I don't know, I think it kind of got the idea across. It really does feel like a gel pen, like one of those. Like these, the Pilot G2s, it really just glides right off of there, and I think that is just so cool. There are definitely some parts of it that I'm not thrilled about, and if I had all day, I would obviously go in and fix them all more specifically and try to make everything perfect, but you know, art's not always going to be perfect, and I accept that. I know I'm not really an artist, well, you know, by any professional definition, I suppose, and there's still some places that I think maybe could be blended a little bit more or still look a little too textured, but overall, I'm actually really pleased with this, and I foresee myself using this a little more frequently in the future. Again, much like the pearlescent watercolor paints that I tried a little while ago, I definitely see this being like a nice little card piece, or for creating cards for family, friends, and holidays, or even just one of those like nice, relaxing, rainy day kinds of activities. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to tune in next Sunday for another crafty video, and hopefully I will be seeing you then. Bye!